To get a Godaddy domain in Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the Settings panel. Click on Domains and then click on Use a domain I own. Enter your Godaddy domain name and click Next. You will be prompted to connect your domain. To do this, you will need to obtain the IP address from Squarespace and update the DNS settings in your Godaddy account. To obtain the IP address, navigate to the DNS settings in Squarespace and click on DNS settings. Copy the IP address provided by Squarespace and log into your Godaddy account. Navigate to the DNS manager and update the A records with the IP address from Squarespace. You will need to update the A records for the root domain and the www subdomain. Once you have updated the A records, navigate back to Squarespace and click on Verify Domain. This will verify that you own the domain and connect it to your Squarespace account. Next, you will need to set up the CNAME records to point to Squarespace. To do this, navigate to the DNS manager in Godaddy and add a new CNAME record. The host will be www and the points to will be the Verify domain provided by Squarespace. After setting up the CNAME records, navigate back to Squarespace and click on Enable SSL. This will enable SSL encryption for your domain and ensure that your website is secure. Finally, review your DNS settings to ensure that everything is set up correctly. It may take up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to take effect. But once they do, your Godaddy domain will be connected to your Squarespace account and your website will be live. It is essential to note that DNS changes can take time to propagate. So be patient and do not make any changes to your DNS settings during this time. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your Godaddy domain to your Squarespace account and have a professional-looking website.